wish I had McDonald's. Whoa! Today we're doing a McDonald's Mukbang. I haven't had McDonald's in four months. Let's eat. And I got this. It's a cute box. And I'm gonna wow, I got this. Now it's time for the food. Yep, chicken nuggets. I really love chicken nugget, guys. This is so good. I think I'm missing some tomato sauce. I'm gonna have my chips. I haven't had McDonald's in 4 months, but today is the day I'm gonna have McDonald's. Let me have some chicken nuggets. I'm gonna have my chicken nuggets now. Yay! Oh my god. It's fun though. This is so good. This is so yummy chips. I'm gonna have my chip. Oh, I got the food, juice and chips. But these, I'm gonna have my juice. Hi, so I hope when I first stepped into the lounge and I was like, whoa, the table's a mess. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Out.